You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, a German word that chess players are probably familiar with, but how do you pronounce it? It's a situation in chess where a player is forced to make a move that will weaken their position. So we have to look at the German pronunciation first, which is going to be the most correct. Zugzwang. Zug, yes, Z or Z in German is pronounced Z. Okay, Zugzwang, and W is pronounced like a V. Okay, so Zugzwang. In English, it's sometimes pronounced as Zugzwang, which is kind of not really correct. It sounds more Chinese to me. Or Zugzwang. Zugzwang is a bit better, but German, Zugzwang. Now you got it. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.